Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, the 12th of the April 2021, the beginning of the new trading week. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar to see what is going on today. As you can see, not many important data is scheduled for release today. We got some data, of course, overnight, but they are not really that much important. We got some data from Eurozone retail sales are scheduled for release at 10 o'clock. As you can see, there is a forecast of 1.3%, which is a nice jump from minus 5.9% last month. So we will see how are the retail sales in the Eurozone. We got some speeches from MPC members. Andy Haldane and Silvana Terreiro will give a speech at 12 o'clock at noon and 2 o'clock respectively. And then during the New York session, we have an overview of the business prospects according to the Bank of Canada, 3:30, and of course, Bank of Canada interest rate decision for the first quarter. I think this is a kind of a mistake because it's 48. I think it's not interest rate decision, but it's another indicator, and that's it. Basically, during the New York session, we don't have any important data to be released. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. So we are going back to the Australian dollar. Why? Because we are still monitoring the situation, how the situation develops after the breakout below the neckline. As you can see, the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern is this thick blue line here. And the market has been attacking this line many times. This is daily time frame chart. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 2 weeks. For almost 2 weeks, market has been attacking this line, but still no avail. Still, they are being capped, they are being pushed down, and last time we got the bearish sandwich, daily bearish sandwich pattern. So it means that we might see this this week another leg down on the Australian dollar, if of course this trend line, this neckline trend line is not violated, right? So please be careful and keep an eye on 7,564 pips. This is that level from the 2nd of the February 2021, the lows of the 1st of the April, which is 7,533, and of course those technical supports, especially 7,415 pips, which is the key short-term technical technical support for the bulls, right? So please keep an eye on those levels on the Australian dollar, because there are some things, there are some data to be released from the Canada. Let's take a look at the Canadian dollar. This is, as you can see, daily time frame chart as well. And what do we have here? The bulls are still trying to bounce above 1.2630. This is the technical resistance marked with the blue arrow. As you can see, they can't. They are trying, but they can't break above it, and they are being capped and they are being pushed down towards the level of 1.25. The recent low was made at 1.25.1 pip. So this is not that bad for the bulls. As long as they trade above 1.25, there is still a chance for a breakout higher. But if we just break below 1.25, that means we will penetrate 1.2468, and then of course there is a low from the 18th of the March at 1.2366. Please notice we are still trading below this short-term trend line as well. So if bulls want to rally, they have to rally hard, and they have to break above the trend line around 1.27, above the highs from the 26th of the February, 1.2748, and hit this level market with this arrow, 1.2782. If this level is violated, then we might say, okay, we have a change of the plan, change of the scenario. Now bulls are in charge of the market. So far, nothing like this has happened, and the bullish attempts to rally are still being capped, are still being stopped around 1.2630 level. So please keep an eye on this level for that week. Let's take a look on the US dollar index, of course. What do we have there? 5 waves to the upside, I think they are completed. The wave C, as you can see, I think it is completed as well. We got this move down towards the level of 91.97, but I think we still test 91.72 because it's a key technical support. As you can see, we got this technical support here as well. So maybe I will just put it here on the chart. 92, this is the level of the technical support. So far we hit it, bounced slightly, but bulls were not able to break above 92.44. Bulls are still weak, and our target for this week, if we break below 92, then the target is 91.72, 91.59. This is the zone for the target. As you can see, we got this, got it marked by the blue arrow. So this is important zone for bulls. I think we might see some kind of a bullish reaction once we hit this level. Of course, the momentum is already trading around the level of 50. 48 was the lowest level, 51 was the highest level, so we are trading, oscillating around the 50 neutral level. But once we break below 92, then the momentum will break below 50, and the road towards 91.72, 91.59 is open. So please pay attention to this. And Ethereum, let's take a look at the Ethereum market. Why? Because we just have another all-time high on the Ethereum market. So as you can see, we got this technical support for the Ethereum right now at 2033. Of course, we got the around level of 2000 ready for support as well. But the key technical support right now on the daily time frame chart is 1940. This is our technical support, the key technical support, as we call it, the game changer. And the breakout below 1940 will be a game changer right now. Let's just move this trend line here to see how the market is developing with the newest data. As you can see, we might do the short-term trend line like that. Let's see if we can make some kind of a channel here. There you go. Market is respecting this channel. As you can see, this is the high, this is the high as well. So market is trading inside of the channel after the new all-time high had been made. As you can see, this is the level of A70, which is extremely overbought level. So the market conditions are extremely overbought. It means, of course, that price compared to 14 days back is extremely high. Well, it's all-time high, so it's not that surprising. So please be careful with the current market behavior, because we might have some kind of a pullback after the all-time high was made. But if the bulls will expand the pace of the growth, we might see the next target, and the target will be black. The black target is, of course, $2,500 for Ethereum. So this is our target in the short-term target for the Ethereum. I mean, this is the next important level for the bulls on the Ethereum. So please keep an eye on this target. The immediate support is, of course, somewhere around the level of 2,150. This is the daily time frame. Immediate support for the day traders, of course, as well. They might use it, but the key technical support is still located at 1,940. So please keep an eye on the Ethereum. It looks like it wants to go higher. So that's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.